Did you know China's only female emperor may have strangled her own baby to steal the throne? Wu Zetian started as a teenage concubine to Emperor Taizong, but she had bigger plans. When the emperor died, she seduced his son and became the new ruler's favorite. Standing in her way were Empress Wang and consort Xiao. Wu needed them gone, so she did the unthinkable. When Wu gave birth to a daughter, she allegedly strangled the infant with her own hands. Then she blamed Empress Wang for the murder. The horrified emperor banished his wife and executed both women in brutal fashion. Wu had won. She ruled China for 15 years, from 690 to 705. She created secret police networks, promoted smart people over nobles, and expanded China's borders into Korea and Central Asia. Some historians think the baby murder story was just propaganda. But one thing is certain, Wu Zetian used extreme violence to shatter every barrier in her path. She became one of China's most effective rulers, and definitely its most ruthless.